In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo deleted tasks in Asana. Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to undo deleted tasks in Asana. This is a quick, reliable way to recover a task you removed by accident, and it only takes a few seconds if you know exactly where to look and when to click. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account on a desktop or laptop. Open your preferred web browser, sign in, and navigate to the project or list where you're working. Using a computer is important here because the interface we're relying on appears clearly on desktop and laptop screens, and it's easier to spot the prompt we'll use to bring your task back. Next, right after you delete a task, keep your eyes on the bottom of the screen. As soon as the task is removed, Asana shows a small notification bar that includes an undo option. This banner appears immediately after the deletion and typically stays visible for only a short moment, so timing matters. If you delete a task using the keyboard, the menu, or the task options, the same banner should still appear in the lower part of the screen. The key is to pause for a second and look right at that bottom area before you click elsewhere or move to another page. When you see the undo option in that notification, click it. As soon as you do, Asana restores the deleted task to its previous place. You'll see it reappear with its details intact, including the title, description, assignee, due date, comments, and attachments, as well as its position within the project. This reversal is instant and is designed specifically for those accidental deletions that can happen when you're working quickly. A couple of tips to make this seamless. Stay on the same page right after you delete and avoid navigating away until you decide whether you need to undo. If you're working through a list and cleaning things up, consider pausing briefly after each deletion so you can catch the undo prompt if you need it. Think of this as your quick safety net. Fast, visible, and available right at the moment you need it most. That's all there is to it. Log in on a desktop or laptop, watch for the undo option at the bottom immediately after deletion, and click undo to restore your task. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.